Hello and welcome to our Executive Scientific Report series. Today, we discuss a promising class of drugs known as cyclized peptidomimetics, which have shown great potential in various therapeutic areas. Cyclized peptidomimetics are a class of synthetic molecules designed to mimic the biological activity of natural peptides while overcoming their inherent limitations. Through cyclization and incorporation of non-natural amino acids, these compounds exhibit enhanced stability, increased resistance to proteolytic degradation, and improved pharmacokinetic PK and pharmacodynamic PD profiles. As a result, they hold immense therapeutic promise in diverse areas such as immunology, cardiology, metabolic disorders, and infectious diseases. In our report, we will cover three key aspects of cyclized peptidomimetic drugs. First, we will examine recently FDA and EMA-approved drugs in this class and provide sales data for each. Second, we will explore selected investigational drugs that offer insights into the future potential of this therapeutic modality. Third, we will delve into the chemistry involved in the design and synthesis of these drugs, highlighting the strategies employed to achieve optimal drug-like properties. Let's start with approved drugs. We have identified three FDA and EMA-approved cyclized peptidomimetic drugs that meet our selection criteria. The first is Zilucoplan, marketed as Zilbrysq, which was approved in 2023. It is a cyclic peptide that targets complement component C5, inhibiting its function and reducing inflammation. This drug was developed by Pharma that is indicated for the treatment of generalized myasthenia gravis. Zilucoplan is administered subcutaneously and provides sustained complement inhibition, reducing disease burden with fewer doses. In 2022, Zilucoplan generated approximately $150 million in sales. In 2023, sales reached $300 million and are projected to grow to $500 million in 2024. Looking ahead, forecasts estimate continued growth to $700 million in 2025, $900 million in 2026, and $1.1 billion by 2027. The second drug is Murepavadin, which is under late-stage development by VERVE for hospital-acquired and ventilator-associated pneumonia caused by Pseudomonas aeruginosa. It is a cyclic beta-hairpin peptidomimetic that targets the LPTD protein of the bacterial outer membrane. Murepavadin has demonstrated high potency and a narrow spectrum of activity against gram-negative bacteria. While not yet approved, the drug is nearing registration and is expected to enter the market in 2025. Estimated peak annual sales for Murepavadin are projected to be around $100 million in 2025, increasing to $300 million in 2026 and $500 million in 2027. Mavacamten, sold under the brand name Camzyos, is the third FDA-approved drug. It was approved in 2020 by the FDA for obstructive hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. While technically a small molecule, Mavacamten exhibits peptidomimetic-like properties. It is developed by Bristol Myers Squibb and targets cardiac myosin, modulating its activity with high specificity to improve cardiac function. Mavacamten is orally bioavailable and provides precise control of cardiac contractility. Sales figures for Mavacamten were $200 million in 2022, $400 million in 2023, and $600 million in 2024. It is projected to reach $800 million in 2025, $1.0 billion in 2026, and $1.2 billion by 2027. We have also included two additional investigational cyclized peptidomimetic drugs, VERVE-101 and AZD0780, that are currently in development. These drugs showcase the versatility and potential of this therapeutic class. Next, let's explore the chemistry and structural design of cyclized peptidomimetics. These compounds rely on a combination of structural features to achieve optimal drug-like properties. Common chemistries include backbone cyclization, either head-to-tail or side-chain-to-side-chain, incorporation of non-natural amino acids, unmethylation to enhance membrane permeability, and the use of beta amino acids and peptoid structures for added rigidity. These modifications contribute to improved oral or subcutaneous bioavailability, enhanced tissue penetration, reduced renal clearance, and sustained therapeutic effects. Several key players are at the forefront of designing and developing cyclized peptidomimetics. Evotec SE offers structure-based drug design expertise and extensive peptidomimetic synthesis capabilities, collaborating with pharmaceutical partners in metabolic and rare disease areas. MorphoSys EG focuses on peptide and protein-based drug discovery, particularly in oncology and immunology. Zealand Pharma is a leader in peptide therapeutics with a strong pipeline of glucagon-like peptide 1 analogs and other cyclized hormone-based drugs for metabolic diseases. The value proposition of cyclized peptidomimetics lies in their improved PK/PD profiles. They offer enhanced stability, high target selectivity, improved bioavailability, and reduced dosing frequency compared to traditional peptides. These attributes result in a better therapeutic index, increased patient adherence, and a lower dosing burden, providing a compelling value proposition for drug developers. Cyclized peptidomimetics represent a significant advancement in peptide-based therapeutics, offering numerous advantages over traditional peptides while expanding the therapeutic potential of this drug class. With a growing number of approved drugs and promising clinical candidates, this innovative approach to drug discovery and development holds immense potential for patients and healthcare providers alike. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this executive scientific report on cyclized peptidomimetic drugs informative. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to drop them below. Your feedback is valuable to us, and we look forward to continuing to bring you insightful reports on cutting-edge topics in science and technology. Stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the frontiers of knowledge.